Welcome to our tutorial about the Model Paper Space toggle. The button is located right here on the status bar. Before we click it, let's go to Window on the main menu strip, and let's tile our documents vertically. As you see, I've got 3 versions of the model from one of my previous lessons. Let's double-click on this file to maximize the window. If I want to switch between open documents, I can also press down the Control key and then press Tab. If I want to toggle between the documents in the opposite direction, hold down the Shift and Control keys while you press the Tab key. Clicking the Model Paper Space toggle switches us between, you guessed it, Model Space and Paper Space. Right now, we're in Paper Space. We're able to work in what's known as the viewport. I can select and resize the viewport. But when I grab the model, nothing happens. We'll learn more about working with viewports in one of my following tutorials. Let's switch back to Model Space. Now I can grab the model, and I can move it. I can switch between model and paper space just by double-clicking in blank paper space or double-clicking in blank model space. There are times when your work is going to get more complex. You might have many documents open. To switch between documents, we've got 2 useful buttons: Quick View Layouts and Quick View Drawings. Here's the Quick View Layouts button, and right beside it is Quick View Drawings. Let's click the Quick View Layouts button. I'll click it and pin it down. Here we've got the Model tab, Layout 1 and Layout 2. We can switch between tabs and work with the files as we usually do. Let's go to Layout 2. Currently, we're in Paper Space, as you see here. Let's double-click, and now we're in Model Space. Basically, the Quick View Layouts option lets us quickly navigate inside open documents. Let's close it by clicking on the X. To navigate between all open documents, we can use Quick View Drawings. Let's pin it down. Right now we see 61A, document 61B, and 61C. As I mouse over the thumbnails, we see larger thumbnails on top. We've got the Model tab, Layout 1, and Layout 2. Let's go to the Model tab, or Layout 1 or 2. And I can quickly switch to document 61B or document 61C. We can also create a new document or open some existing document. Let's cancel out, and let's close Quick View Drawings. And this concludes our lesson about the Model Paper Space toggle, as well as the Quick View Layouts and Quick View Drawings buttons.